Today, I'm going to show you how to make an easy steak marinade, guys. I have got some fantastic Texas beef from the Moorhouse Ranch. Now, that is the peoplesbeef.com. I'll leave all that information for you down there. But we are going to marinate a tremendous strip loin steak. Then we're going to take it, coat it with some nice fresh cracked pepper, get it on the fire. I'm going to show you how to do that today. I am Chef Johnny. This is Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. And folks, it is hot down here in Texas. I tell you what, we are burning up down here, but it's a beautiful day to do some grilling. I have got a fantastic steak from, like I said, the Moorhouse Ranch. Sent some over here. I got some other videos out there that you can see of them, so be looking around and checking for the videos I have from the Moorhouse Ranch and the People's Beef. But guys, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna make a very easy marinade. I'm gonna show you how I do that. And then this strip loin steak, after we grill it up, we're gonna cover it with a fantastic chimichuri. This is the spicy from Fragoni. If you don't follow Al Fragoni on TikTok and Instagram, you're making up a big mistake. He does some beautiful Argentinian open fire, live fire cooking, and he's a lot of fun to watch. He lives right outside of San Antonio, so I've had an opportunity to meet him and visit with him a little bit. He's a super guy, but we're gonna be using his chimichurri today. So come in here close. Let me show you this marinade I'm gonna use, this beautiful strip loin steak from the Moorhouse Ranch here in Texas. All of their beef, guys, is raised in Texas. That is fantastic, and it comes off the Moorhouse Ranch. They don't go anywhere else. They only sell their beef. So come on in here. Let me show you the marinade, and then I'll show you how we mix up this fantastic chimichurri. As I told you in the introduction, guys, this is a very, very simple recipe. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of the spicy chimichurri. He's got different ones. He's got some, I think, SPG now and some other things also. But this is his chimichurri mix. People use this just as rubs, guys, on there. So you use equal parts of chimichurri and vinegar. I use red wine vinegar, so 2 tablespoons right there. Gonna let those kind of work together for a minute. Let that soak up my vinegar. Give it a few minutes, okay? Let that be soaking. And while that soaks, we're gonna get this steak marinating. Let's get this steak out of here. I just got these in the other day. They shipped really well. They weren't still frozen when I got them, but they were still very, very cold. But you can see it's got a nice fat cap on it. I like that. You could clean some of this up on the bottom if you wanted to. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna kind of let it go like it is. But I'm gonna take just a Ziploc bag, and guys, we're gonna put our ingredients in there. And it's 3, 2, 1, all right? So, 3, 2, 1. Let's start with the 1. Don't need a whole lot for one steak. I'm gonna go 1/3 of a cup of water. Set that to the side. I have soy sauce. Just get the soy sauce of your choice. And I'm gonna go, this is the 2, right? We got the 1, so 2/3 cups of soy sauce. And also, guys, be careful if you season this steak, because that's your salt right there, guys. So that's going in. Set that to the side. And then the last thing I have going on is pineapple juice. And that's our 3. So we're gonna get 3 1/3 cups or 1 cup of pineapple. Pour that in. Pineapple juice right there. If you wanted to put some seasoning or something in there, you could. I really don't think it needs it. I tell you what, this makes pretty good tacos too. We're not doing tacos with it today, but I'm gonna take it, seal it good. I'm gonna go drop it over there in my refrigerator. I always have a refrigerator out here from New Air in the outdoor kitchen. But we're just gonna let this soak 2 hours overnight. This one's probably gonna get about 3 hours. Got some work around here around the pool, shooting some other videos today. We're just gonna let that marinate for at least 2 hours. Let's get back to our chimichurri now. We've had time for that vinegar to soak into our mix. And I'm gonna take some olive oil. So it's 1-to-1 with chimichurri and vinegar, and then you double it for your olive oil. So 2 tablespoons of those, 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You're gonna stir it up. All these flavors are gonna meld together. But that's our marinade and our chimichurri. Let's let that sit for a while. I'm gonna cover it. It can go in the fridge too, won't hurt it. But we'll use that on our steak in a little bit, and I'll get back with you in just a little while. All right, time to get this steak out. It's been in there 3 hours, maybe a little bit better. I've been running around doing a lot of work, but our New York strip is looking pretty. Let's put it right there. Pineapple, soy sauce, and water, guys. 3, 2, and 1. So simple, like I said, simple marinade. Pat this dry. So I get it dry, I'll bring y'all in close. I'm not gonna do much to this. Remember, there's salt on it from the soy sauce. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some fresh pepper, and this is just assorted peppercorns, and I'm gonna pepper this steak real good because I think it does need pepper. And remember, we are gonna have some chimichurri to serve with it here in a little bit. Pat that in, flip it over. I might have trimmed that a little bit, that fat cap, but that fat's gonna be good. There we go there. Just gonna pick up some of that pepper that's on there. Guys, I'm gonna check the Weber kettle, see where it's at. Y'all may get tired of seeing me use my grill grates all the time, but I love them. So what I'm gonna do on this one is I'm gonna sear it off just on the grates. Let y'all see how I have that set up. And we'll use that Weber kettle with just grates. So bring the Weber kettle over here, get this on it. Guys, you got something hot to do. These are grill armor gloves. Them babies will take the heat. You can see how much fire I got in there. These gloves work good. I think I got an affiliate link for them somewhere. I'll look at, if I do, I'll throw it down below where you can check them out. Let's get this steak on here. We're gonna put it right there. Crunch it just a little bit. Let's go about 2 minutes. We're turning it over. Let's get this lid out of the way. You know what? I might have went too long. Let's see. Oh yeah, got a little too much char on that one, but most of it looks like it's over here on this fat. This time instead of going 3 minutes, I'm gonna go about 2.5 minutes. Let's let her go. And I tell you what I'm gonna do also is, I'm gonna push it away from that little flame right there where the fat's been dripping. Check this out real quick. Oh yeah, that was a lot better time right there. I don't think I'm gonna set it right back over the fire. I think I'm gonna move it over there. Let me check the temp real quick, see where we're at. I bet you we're about 110 right now, somewhere in that neighborhood. Nope, we're not, it's thicker than that. We're still down in about 98. So what I'm gonna do is, this 3 minutes, I'm gonna go over here. A little bit cooler, won't burn it. I'll flip it back over on this side. So let's cover her up. See y'all in 3 minutes. Turn it over. Come back up here. Oh yeah, good sizzle. You see where that fat got a little overcooked? That's all right, not the end of the world. Guys, that just goes to show you anybody can do that. See where we're at temp-wise. 118, 117. Okay. I'm gonna go 2.5 minutes. We'll move it to that side, let it finish off till it gets to that 125, 130. Let's cover up, 2.5 minutes. lid's off. Turn this back over, put it over here. Let it rest. Well, let's check the temp first. Or cover it up. No sense going too quick. We're there. It's overcooked, guys. All right. Let's get it off. That last 2 minutes went awful quick. Let's take her off. Let it rest about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll see how it turned out. This strip has been resting for a little bit, so let's cut some slices off. Show you how we serve it. Got our chimichurri. Pulled it out of the fridge a while ago, so it could start coming back up to room temp. Didn't want to put it on there cold, right? Let's kind of slice this, and it's probably gonna be closer to a medium. So overcooked it a little bit. Well, not gonna be too bad. All right, let's spread this out some. My wife's gonna like this one a lot better. It's about a medium. We'll spread some of our chimichurri on here. Across that, and again, it's a nice medium, nothing wrong with it. It's still moist. You can have a moist medium steak, guys. It don't have to be medium rare all the time. This is how my wife likes it. She's gonna like this better than the ribeyes I've cooked her up today. But there's our spicy chimichurri using the Al Fragoni. Check him out on Instagram and TikTok, right? Using his spicy version. We're gonna give this a try and see how it turned out. Well, there you have it. Nice medium New York strip, guys. That strip steak looks beautiful from the Moorhouse Ranch with some chimichurri on it. But overcooked a little bit. I thought 2.5 minutes would be fine. Should have took it about 90 seconds maybe, but we're gonna give it a try. Oh yeah, still moist, very tender. That is a good steak, guys. The spicy, if you don't like the spicy, he's got a regular chimichurri also, but very good. I give that steak a thumbs up for the Moorhouse. If you are looking for some high quality steaks, get sent straight to your house where you don't have to go out looking for them, can't go wrong ordering for the Moorhouse, guys. thepeoplesbeef.com. Very, very good. They're up in that big ranch country, up, like I said, by Tongue River, by the 4 Sixes, by the Pitchfork, all those big ranches up there, the Wagner Estate. They're up there amongst all those, and they are growing some fantastic cattle up there that's making some tremendous beef. So I give this a definite thumbs up. Guys, remember to share this video. And the best way to support the channel is always watch it to the end. Get your friends to watch it to the end. Share us on your social media. Tell your friends and family about us. And we're going to see y'all down the road on Texas style barbecue and cuisine. So long, everybody.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.